up America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half are replicas.
So hi there. So this is an unboxing of a brand new Dell laptop. It's an Intel inside, such it says. The model is Inspiron 55558. So let's unbox it. Let's cut it open. I would say. Yeah, gonna get my cutter. Cut the seal. Just like that. Real quick. Oh, come on, man. So you won't open. I'm trying the bad way. Oh, what the hell, man? Oh, I broke the box. So it's that. So let's pop this open. Right, that. So some kind of packing, some sort. Let's get this out. Look quickly. There it is. Let's get this bad boy out. What the hell is it? So this is, oh, silica gel. It's something for odor. I don't know what. So what's in the box? Oh, it's a manual, I think. Oh, quick start guide. Oh yeah, right. I'm gonna need that. And here's the power brick. The other part of the power brick. Let's get it out quick. So we don't be needing this anymore. The manual, fuck it. Give me a sec. Either. So this is the power brick. Let's open that. Quickly. Here's that. Here's the adapter. And let's boot it up. Hello. Oh, it's the other way around. Another book, safety information, and I need that. Let's turn it over. Not gonna need that anymore. And hello. So it's a Dell Inspiron 5000 series. It's a 15.6 inch display, HD webcam, wireless and Bluetooth, HDMI, SD card reader, DVD writer, and this specific model, it's an i3. It's a 5005U, I think. It's a 2 GHz model, and it's got the nVIDIA 920M graphic chipset. So here's the Ethernet port. I think the HDMI, USB, card reader, and another USB and the optical drive. So yeah, and I think, oh no, I thought this was a USB-C, but some kind of lock. I don't know what. So let's boot it up for the first time. Oh, it's got juice. What does it? Yeah. So there's a Dell logo. Yeah. Ubuntu. Oh, so it doesn't have a Windows pre-installed. It's a Ubuntu. It's a Linux. We're gonna get rid of that soon. I'm gonna install a proper new Windows 10 and gonna make some tests after that, some benchmarks maybe, and just gonna see how this laptop works. Yeah, boot up already. It's his first boot. Oh, sorry about that. We're gonna be. You have to be a bit patient. Come on, man. Meanwhile, the keyboard looks pretty nice. Oh. That's nice. First start logo. What's that? I don't know. Sorry about my shivering hand, but yeah. Ubuntu. So I'm gonna set this thing up. So English, continue. It's loading. I have read and accept these terms. Yeah, right. Just gonna get my wireless key because I don't know it. So let's finish the setup. So yeah, Bucharest. Continue. Romanian working. So what keyboard layout? Oh, I don't want a Romanian keyboard layout. No, please, because it's really fucked up. So let's gonna search English. Afghani, Azerbaijan, Czech, Braille, English. So where was that? No, Cameroon. Whoa, go back. So English, US, yeah. English, what? Cherokee, what the hell is that pronounced? US international. International with that key. So English as alternative international. So I think that's the one. Yeah. So continue. Your name. My name is Hugo. Actually. Pick a username. Hugo 23. So my password. Yeah, let's get that done. So confirm it. Login automatically. Require my password to login. Require my password. I continue. John. So what? Create Dell recovery media. Save recovery media to an external USB flash drive. Not describe the flash drive. I don't have one currently. Don't generate recovery media at this time. Continue. So welcome configuration system locals. Thank you for choosing Ubuntu 15.04. This version brings some exciting changes, including totally redesigned desktop interface Unity. While Ubuntu is configured, this slideshow will show you around. Yeah, right. So the last time I saw Ubuntu was like 5 or 4 years ago when I bought my desktop computer. So it was horrible. I couldn't do anything on it. Oh, I couldn't do it. I didn't know. I'll find even more software. Take your music with you. Yeah. Have fun with your photos. So what's this? The handy photo manager that is ready for gadgets connected. Alright. Make the most of the web. Yeah, everything you need for the office. So it's what? Sure. Yeah, alright. Access for everyone. Blah blah blah. So I think applying changes. It has a little bit more. Few seconds, minutes, I know. So completely removed. No, you know what? Come on. Applying changes. Running post installation trigger in trams. What's that, man? Yeah. Come on, already. It's finished. So it requires my password. Let's get that typed. Ubuntu version 14.01 04. Oh, come on already. So I think it's ready. Short keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, I don't need that. So system settings, press button, support, display, network, so mouse and touchpad, backups, power. So what can I, system details. So it's a Dell. It has a Intel Core i3 5005U CPU. It's at 2 GHz or 4 CPUs, yeah. So it's a dual core CPU with hyper-threading enabled, and it has a 1 terabyte hard drive. It has type 64 bits. System is up to date. So device name Hugo23 Inspiron 5558. Default applications, mobile media, legal notice. So it's all about that. Maybe I'm gonna come back with installation of Windows. I'm gonna install Windows on it. Maybe Windows 10. So it has Bluetooth. What? Seriously? So battery, 5 hours and 20 minutes left. English US. So let's shut it down and install Windows. Or maybe I still on Ubuntu. I don't know. Seriously, you need my password to shut down. I didn't saw that anymore. Anywhere else. So, oh, come on, man. What happened? Shut down. Shut down. It's shutting down, finally. So that was my partial review and unboxing of the Dell Inspiron. So what's the model? 5558. I think that's right. So, bye.